Hey guys. We are here in Cambodia. It's our first day. Checked into the hotel last night and we are going to explore. I think there's a temple nearby, so let's go see what we can find.
Come along with us.
Let's go. All right, so we're staying at the Den Hotel here in Siem Reap. Right here. Ah, so we got a restaurant next door. Oh yeah. Our first street crossing. It's always interesting in the new country. Wow, we made it. And some bikes. $10 a day. That's not bad. Maybe if we have time after we see some sights, we'll go check things out on a bike. Oh, there's a hat for you. I like the Cambodia one. So we've already been approached by a few tuk-tuk drivers, and we've got some got their WhatsApp. So if we want a tour later, one of the guys said $5 for around the city tour for both of us. And then he started adding things and other places we could go. So pretty inexpensive, and we'll probably hit him up maybe. We'll see how we feel after this walk. But you can kind of see it over here. There's a temple right here, but we got to go down and then over. So yeah. Let's keep walking. So we found this little river here. Very cool. Oh wow. This is a really nice town, Siem Reap. Kind of reminds me of Chiang Mai in Thailand. Check out these big trees. Got a tuk-tuk driver taking a siesta here. Looks like a popular place with drivers because of the shade. This dog has been following us for a little bit. Hey boy! Hey boy! We're gonna get lost, but that's good. It's good to get lost and see where you're at. We've had many opportunities to catch tuk-tuks, but we love coming to a city and seeing what's around us, and I think it's one of the best ways to go, because you know, when you're in a vehicle, you're just flying by areas and you want to see stuff. So look at this dock. Our first sign of Cambodia here. Really looking forward to Angkor Wat, seeing what that's all about. wonder where we can get water. So our destination is right over here. Our first temple in Cambodia.
Oh yeah, that's a temple.
Yeah. Actually, I think the tuk-tuk driver called it a pagoda.
Oh.
I think.
I think so.
Yeah.
When we mentioned temple, he couldn't understand it. Like, you know.
Yeah. Well, we'll go see what this is all about. Once I figure out what the name of this place is, I will let you know. So there was another tuk-tuk driver trying to sell us a tour here. A lot of monks around here. Well, that was pretty neat, that pagoda or whatever it was called. Furniture shop. Look at this stuff. It's like Bali. Ever see a SUV Lamborghini? And right next door there's a Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce and a Lamborghini. Wow. Very nice. Thank you. Akon. Finally found some water at this fruit vendor that sells alligator stuff too. Wow. Okay, so after the temple or the pagoda, we were looking for something to eat, and we found this sandwich shop called Pong, P-O-N-G.
Across the doors.
And 𝗪𝘁𝘁 got honey ham, and I got bacon avocado. So let's dig into these beautiful sandwiches and go from there. So you can see the bats up there. We got elephants in the park. And a statue. Looks like a Buddhist statue. Let's go say hi to the elephant. Hi. All right. Again, it is a Saturday. There's a lot of kids out here hanging out. Must be the hangout place. Let's go. Let's get some food. So there's a bunch of 𝗪்RH𝘁 chairs in this park. I've actually seen signs for Amway too, so I think network marketing is pretty big over here. Look at these red ants, and they're huge. I mean, bigger than normal. All right, now we're getting into some food.
Yum yum.
Hello. Okay, so we just got the passion fruit shake, and it's very good. $1. You get that at Jamba Juice, you pay $7 probably. All right, so we've traveled thousands of miles to get to Cambodia, and we're eating, well, I'm eating Mexican. I think you're getting
Cambodian steak.
yeah, she's getting Cambodian, but I'm hungry, and we were having troubles deciding where we're gonna eat. Was it gonna be street food, or was it gonna be a restaurant? Since this is our real first proper meal, we decided on Viva Mexican Cafe. Okay, 𝗪𝘁 got the steak.
Medium rare, my favorite.
And I got a wet burrito with extra sour cream. Let's eat. Okay guys, we made it to Pub Street. So just a bunch of bars and restaurants and drinking establishments. Basically a walking street like in Thailand.
Yeah.
So let's go check it out. So apparently if you hit the soccer ball, you get a free drink. All right, guys, we made it back to the hotel. We're a little exhausted. Our first day in Cambodia was a success. You know, we walked around quite a bit. We saw a temple and
Pagoda.
a pagoda or whatever that was called, the beautiful structure, and Pub Street. And then a city tour. Saw some bats, saw the royal palace, and almost got scammed, maybe. We didn't give it a chance.
We outsmarted him, I guess.
But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.